The Ultimate Buyer's Guide presents the top 5 best air fryers of 2025. Air fryers have become one of the most essential kitchen gadgets in recent years. They promise crispy results with less oil, and in 2025, the options are better than ever. But not all air fryers are created equal. Today, we're counting down the top 5 air fryers of the year, starting from number 5 and working our way to the very best. We'll cover unique features, real-world use cases, and finish each review with quick pros and cons so you know exactly which model fits your kitchen. If you decide to buy, remember to use the links in the description below so that you get the best prices. All right, let's dive into it. Coming in at number 5, we have the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart ClearCook. This model is a basket-style air fryer with a medium to large capacity, making it a good fit for couples or small families. The standout feature here is the ClearCook basket window. Instead of pulling out the basket to check your food, you can watch your fries or chicken wings crisp up in real time through the glass panel. It also lights up while cooking, which is surprisingly helpful for avoiding overcooking. The Vortex Plus has 6 preset cooking modes: air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. That means you can use it for everything from leftover pizza to jerky to roasted vegetables. The controls are simple and responsive, and it heats up quickly compared to older models. In testing, it handled frozen fries evenly and gave chicken thighs a satisfying golden crust. However, the temperature range is narrower than some competitors, maxing out at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you won't get quite as much browning power for things like steak. For the pros, you get 6 preset cooking functions, generous 6-quart capacity. The Vortex Plus is compact for its size, and a ClearCook viewing window. The cons are limited temperature range, and the basket can feel a little snug for larger cuts of meat. At number 4 is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Unlike the smaller basket models, this is a countertop oven that also includes an air fry function. It's perfect for anyone who wants one appliance to replace several. You can air fry, toast bread, bake cookies, roast a chicken, broil, or even slow cook. With its convection fans, it delivers consistent heat throughout the oven cavity. This larger design makes it ideal for families or for anyone who regularly cooks for groups. You can spread out food on trays rather than stacking it in a basket, which leads to more even browning and less shaking mid-cook. For example, roasting Brussels sprouts or baking sheet pan nachos is effortless in the Breville. But with that versatility comes trade-offs. The unit is much bulkier than a basket air fryer, so it will take up significant counter space. It's also one of the most expensive options on this list. Still, if you want one appliance to do it all, the Breville stands out. The pros: it's an oven plus air fryer in one. It's got huge capacity for family meals and consistency in heat and performance. The cons are that Breville is expensive compared to basket fryers and takes up a large footprint on the counter. Coming in at 3rd place, we have the Typhur Dome. This model is aimed at serious home cooks who want more precision and control. The Typhur Dome combines a sleek, futuristic design with advanced technology, giving you the ability to fine-tune temperatures and times beyond what most consumer air fryers allow. It cooks quickly and evenly thanks to its powerful airflow system. In testing, it excelled with delicate foods like fish fillets, which came out flaky and moist without sticking. It also handled thick chicken breasts with ease, keeping the inside juicy while crisping the outside. The Dome is also quieter than many other air fryers, which can be a bonus if you cook frequently. However, this precision and premium build come at a high price, making it less accessible for budget-minded shoppers. Pros: it has exceptional precision and performance. It has a modern design. Quieter than average air fryers, yet has a powerful airflow. Cons: the Dome is pricey and it may be overkill for casual users. The runner-up spot goes to another Instant Pot model, the Vortex Plus in its classic basket style. This model is one of the most reliable daily drivers you can buy. It doesn't have fancy design elements, but it consistently delivers crispy, evenly cooked results. The square basket is a nice touch because it maximizes cooking area compared to round baskets. That means you can lay out salmon fillets or chicken thighs without crowding. The controls are straightforward, with clear buttons and a dial. In testing, this model excelled at staples like French fries, chicken wings, and roasted vegetables. It preheats faster than oven-style models, but still takes a minute longer than some newer high-speed designs. If you're looking for a dependable mid-priced air fryer for everyday use, this is a great pick. For the Vortex Plus Pros, consistent, reliable crisping, an affordable price, its square basket maximizes cooking space, and it's easy to use. For the cons, it can preheat slow, and it's got no advanced smart features. And finally, our #1 air fryer of 2025 is the Instant Vortex Slim 6-quart. This is Bon Appetit's overall winner for good reason. It balances size, price, and performance in a way that makes sense for most households. The slim design is compact, taking up less counter space than many 6-quart air fryers. Despite the smaller footprint, it still holds a generous amount of food, enough for a family of 4. The interface is refreshingly simple. No confusing menus, just clear buttons for time and temperature. It cooks evenly across different foods, from crispy fries to juicy chicken drumsticks. It also cleans up easily thanks to a non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe components. While it doesn't reach the extreme high temperatures of oven-style models, it does deliver excellent results for most common uses. Pros: the Vortex Slim's compact design definitely saves counter space. Its 6-quart capacity is generous, easy to use and clean, moderately priced. And the cons are its limited maximum temperature, and it's not as versatile as an oven-style unit. But if you're gonna buy just one air fryer this year, the Vortex Slim is the most balanced choice. So there you have it, the top 5 air fryers of 2025. From the versatile Breville oven, to the precision Typhur Dome, to the all-around winning Instant Vortex Slim, there's an option here for every type of cook. The best pick really depends on your needs and what matters most to you. Check the description for links to all these models and let us know in the comments which air fryer you'd choose for your kitchen, or if I missed your favorite one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you know when new reviews drop. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.